The ripple effects of war in West Asia are now hitting millions of ordinary people thousands of miles away. And two of Asia's most economic vulnerable nations are staring into the abyss. When Iran blocked the Strait of Hormuz in retaliation to joint US-Israeli strikes, the consequences weren't just felt in boardrooms and oil markets. They hit homes, hospitals, factories, and entire economies already running on fumes. In Pakistan, the lights are dimming literally.
सरकारी और निजी शोबे में इंतहाई ज़रूरी सर्विसेज को छोड़कर यानी एसेंशियल सर्विसेज को छोड़कर बाकी तमाम जगहों पर 50% स्टाफ घर से काम करेगा यानी वर्क फ्रॉम होम.
A country of 24 crore people, almost entirely dependent on imported fuel, has been hit with a 20% hike in petrol and diesel prices overnight. Shehbaz Sharif's government has now rolled out sweeping austerity measures, ordering cuts in fuel consumption and slashing public spending in an attempt to manage the worsening fuel crisis. Pak government has shut schools for 2 weeks, cut allowances for government employees by 50% and ordered government offices to operate 4 days a week. This is a nation that was already on its knees, battered by debt, inflation and a currency in free fall. Bangladesh tells an even darker story. Fuel stations running dry after panic buying. A country of 17 crore people now faces daily limits on how much fuel its citizens can buy. But it doesn't stop there. 4 of Bangladesh's 5 state-run fertilizers factories have gone dark. Starved of gas now, desperately diverted to keep power plants alive. Crops, food supplies, livelihoods, all hanging in the balance. Bangladesh imports 95% of its energy. It is by definition at the mercy of global markets, and right now those markets are merciless. The country is scrambling to buy emergency LNG on the spot market at eye-watering prices it can barely afford. Two nations, two economies already fragile, fractured and fighting for survival. Now caught in the crossfire of a conflict they never started, paying a price they simply cannot afford to pay.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.